Hello everyone, welcome back to Opportunity. So today I have an amazing job opportunity for all aspiring data analysts and freshers out there. So Cognizant, where it is one of the world's biggest IT company services, where it is hiring for the role of trainee junior data analyst. So if you are someone who loves working with the data and solving the problems by using the Excel for their analysis purpose, so this opportunity is for you. So in this video, I will be covering what does a junior data analyst do and what all the job response are there, what skills and experience do be required for this role, and how to apply and increase your getting chance for this selected to this role. So do watch this till the end. And before moving ahead, if you are new to this channel, so make sure to subscribe to our channel. So where you will get the content which is totally related to the job openings, internship openings, free courses, hackathons, scholarships, and a lot more content uploaded in this channel. So make sure to subscribe to our channel. So now let's start the video. So first off, let's talk about what is the junior data analyst role. A junior data analyst helps in collecting, processing, and analyzing the data to make it a meaningful business decision. So this role is crucial because ensures the data accuracy, identifies the trends, and support the decision making in any organization as well. At Cognizant, this role is even more exciting because it focuses on customers' data management and complaint handling in the life science sector. So now let's see what a trainee junior data analyst at Cognizant does. Simply we can say that day-to-day responsibilities for this role. So first we will be managing and pre-processing the customer's data by using the MS Excel to ensure the accuracy and also completeness, and also handling the customer's complaints and inquiries. Professionally, we will be taking care of them and solving the problems what all the customers are getting, and we'll also collaborating with the cross-functional teams to improve the customers management processes, and also monitoring and analyzing the customers feedback to identify their needs and areas of improvements to be done, and also maintaining the detailed records of customers interaction to ensure the data integrity between your customer and you. So providing the reports on customer services and the metrics to manage them as well, supporting for the development team for the new team members in order to train them on this thing, and you will using the domain knowledges in the life science to understand and address the customers needs as well, ensuring the compliance with the industry regulations and company policies as well. Participating in the continuous improvement and initiatives will be enhancing the customer satisfaction and also operation and also efficiency as well. So if you love working with the data, improving the process and making an impact, this is the role where it is perfect for you. Now what skills and experience do we need for this role? So to qualify for this role, the Cognizant requires to have the strong technical skills in MS Excel for data analysis and reporting purpose, and basic knowledge of data management and customer services, having the experience in handling the customers complaints and in inquiries, also having the strong communication skills and interpersonal skills, also attention to the detail and accuracy in the data processing, and ability to work with the collaboratively with the cross functional teams, adapting to the rotational shifts, hybrid work model, so where it is depends on you as well. So basically the knowledge of the compliance regulations in the life science sector, it is preferred but not mandatory for this role. So if you have most of the skills in you and you are a strong candidate for them, so why should you apply? So first, we will be working with the most reputed IT service company and gaining the hands-on experience in the data analysis as well, and also getting the opportunity to learn the life science domain. Working with the hybrid model in the night shift or flexible shifts, the system will also be provided for you. Building a strong foundation in the data analysis. So this is the thing, a great starting point if you want to grow in this field of data analytics. And how to apply for this? So it is very simple. The link in the description box. So when you click on that link, you will get redirected to this page, and you can simply press on upload now button. You can apply for this role. Make sure your resume highlights the relevant skills and experience that for this role. The pro tip from my side, that is mention the specific projects where you have been used Excel for data analysis, improved the customers management, or you have been solved the customers complaint very effectively as well. So this will be increasing your chance of getting shortlisted for this role. Now I have a question for you. Are you planning for this role at the Cognizant or not? And what exactly the most about this job? Do comment down and let me know. If you found this video helpful, so do forget to like, share, and subscribe option for more job updates. And I will see you in the next video with the biggest opportunity, and good luck with your application.